date is the 10th of July 2026, and the one trade I took today, I got break even. It's a bit of an annoying one, and it's definitely one that I've had a few break evens now, and it definitely will benefit me reviewing what I did this week and last week, whatever, all my break evens, because I think it's all for the same reason. And I'll explain that in a little bit. So anyway, 9:30 open, right? So we go on the 4 hour. Well, first of all, let's go on the daily. Daily, there was literally like nothing. But what I was looking for is what were we delivering off, so then I could have a sponsored gap to take a continuation. Okay, so if you see on the daily, we swept this intermediate low. I had a nice reaction to go bullish, and we've got all these nice draws up here. Because if you look on the 4 hour, we were in here, we was respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, and then so that was basically, those were my sponsored gaps. So I wouldn't mind taking a continuation, like if we came up 5 minute, 15 minute, whatever, and then longs, because that was my sponsored gap. Look on the 1 hour. So yeah, the 1 hour's here. We basically filled this whole FVG, so I didn't really want to come this low, and I was heavily bullish only because we had so many draws up above. And if you look at NQ, where you literally had the same, so much like liquidity above, which I wanted to target, so I was very bullish today. So yeah, if we go on the 15, at 9:30 open, if I quickly hide that, yeah, so 9:30 opened here, and we just pumped near to my draws. We took out this high. I was expecting like any sort of retracement, but then again, there's literally like no PDAs anywhere below, so we didn't get that. There was a 30 minute above. I think that was on NQ, 30 minute. Yeah, there's a 30 minute here, which I just was basically, that was my condition. If we started displacing through it, then I would go long. If we're not, then I'd go short. But then I think if we wasn't, and I had to go short, I wouldn't go short, because there's literally like no draws really, and these look so nice, these stacked highs. So yeah, there's a 30 minute, but I would have faded the shorts if we started respecting the 30 minute. And then yeah, so we literally just pumped. We pumped, took out a draw, and then we created equal highs on ES up here, there, and it was here at the time on the 5 minute chart. Yeah, there was an equal high. It was this one here, this candle. But yeah, we had equal highs then, and then I really wasn't comfortable shorting, because my stop loss would have just been unprotected as hell, because we were at equal highs, so it was above, and there's still loads of draws in NQ, so I still was looking for long. And then we had this 5 minute here, so we had a 5 minute here. We have created a new 5 minute now, but I think I got in the trade before 9:50. Yeah, so basically we came down into this 5 minute on NQ, and there was also one on ES down here. So yeah, we had that 5 minute tap, and then followed by, I think I went for the 3 minute. Yeah, there's a 3 minute inversion after the 5 minute tap, so that's my sponsored gap, V-shape IFEG. My break even, this is where I need to review and work on stuff. I went break even because of good displacement, because it was basically like up here, and I thought, alright, I'll go break even. But what I'm going to work on now, I think, is wait, to be fair, if I would have gone break even at this equal high, and it created another one and then hit my break even. So yeah, well, my thing is like attacking versus defending. So what are we defending? We're defending literally like nothing, and we're attacking equal highs and a bunch of highs. So you've got to look at it like that, like, so you've got to balance it out, or like weigh it out, as in do I think that, should I go break even, like what's the reason for break even? And there literally wasn't, except for good displacement. So is like this 3 minute that got created down here, because there's a BPR, but it's this 3 minute that got created. Do I really think that outweighs these equal highs and these draws above? Obviously not. So I shouldn't have gotten break even, and ultimately that would have saved me. No, not saved me. I still didn't lose anything, but it would have got me a win. But you can't go back on it now. I'm not going to break my rules. But yeah, it's a bit annoying, as I could have ended the week with an extra 250, but it is what it is. We ended the week green, 100% win rate. Oh, sorry about that noise. I'll shut my window. Hang on. Yeah, so ultimately, not a bad trade, just a bad break even. I saw some people went short, which I think if you did, I sort of can see the idea, but it's pretty stupid, as there's so much draws above. Like, it's ridiculous, especially on an NQ. What I saw people trading, there's so much draws above, so your stop loss is literally unprotected as hell. Yeah, that's basically it. So we had the sponsored 5 minute gap outside of that 4 hour, and then also outside of the daily intermediate low. So we're delivering from there, looking to push all these module liquidity. But yeah, my break even was a bit funny. It was like a bit above, so I wouldn't lose on fees. But either way, if I had my break even on the actual thing, on like the actual line, I still would have got break even, because I was like just above 1. No, I wanted to get 1R, but my stop loss was on this low here. I know it's not a swing low, but it's like a displacement low. I like that displacement, so I didn't really want to see price come down here. And if you look, the interception gaps, there's none here. There's only an interception gap there, which now, hindsight, I should have seen that. But yeah, there's a 1 minute interception gap here. Other than that, there's none here in this leg, so I didn't see price come down here to retrace for anything. So yeah, anyway, it's Friday, so I'm going to enjoy my day. Oh, my journal. Oh, I haven't even journaled yet again. I should have journaled, really, for you lot. But I can tell you, I made about, I think it was like $2. So yeah, break even. Next week I'll remember to show you my journal. But yeah, that's basically it. So my Discord's in my YouTube bio. My TikTok is fatum.ap. My Instagram is astonlee.nq. In the Discord or TikTok, Insta, whatever, feel free to DM me if you have any questions. The Discord right now isn't busy at all. Like, there's literally like no one in it, basically. So you can always ask in there as well. So there's no problem. I should reply in minutes, as long as I live in the UK. So as long as it's like within a reasonable hour for the UK, because I know the US, well, New York time is 4 hours behind. So yeah, as long as it's a reasonable time, I should answer you fairly quickly. But yeah, next week we go again. I'll review what went wrong in these break evens, and what went wrong in everything, what I could have done better and all that. So yeah, have a good weekend, and I'll see you on Monday if I take a trade.